Hello everyone, and welcome to this new video tutorial for Maverick Render. This time we will work on a practical example making use of the concepts learnt in our latest Introduction to Stickers video. These are the sticker images we just crafted for this tutorial in Photoshop. They are simple PNG or TIFF files with an alpha mask. In order to apply a sticker in Maverick, all you need to do is drop one of these PNGs on your model. In the drag and drop dialog you must choose sticker. Once the sticker is created, let's come closer to the model to more comfortably slide the sticker on the object's surface. The surface mode in the Move tool is automatically enabled when a sticker is created. Let's now adjust the sticker's dimensions using the real size attributes. We can hide the sticker gizmo as it generally obstructs the render view. Once we are happy with its position, we must accept the transform in the floating Move panel. We will now change the sticker's material to plastic and configure its bump mapping. In the sticker texture we will find the pixel blur rollup, from which we can change the image's blur radius, which in turn narrows or widens the sticker beveling. In the sticker material options we may isolate the bump effect to appreciate the effect we've achieved. Now that the sticker is ready, let's duplicate it and apply it on the other side of the model. To this end we will select the sticker in the Objects panel and choose the Duplicate Sticker option. We can now drop the cloned sticker on the object and simply move it around until it is correctly placed. Let's go for the next sticker. We drop the corresponding PNG on our model and choose sticker. We hide the sticker's gizmo and increase its size. Then we place it where we want and accept the transform. We want this sticker to be laser engraved in the metal, so we will isolate bump in the sticker override properties. Now we go to the bump node and invert it for an engravement effect. Next we must adjust the texture's blur so the bump effect has the right thickness. Making the blur radius a little larger will do. Here you can see how good it looks. Let's now drop the same sticker on the other side. We first duplicate the sticker and drop it. Nothing else is required. We need a letter R now. Let's drop the letter on the model. Choose sticker. And adjust position. Hide gizmo and that's all. Letter L now. Same workflow. Drop on object. Choose sticker. Adjust position and hide gizmo. We want to apply the red logo next. Let's drop it on the object. Choose sticker again. And adjust its dimensions and position. We will hide the sticker gizmo as usual and change the material type to metal. Let's duplicate it to place it on the other side. Last, we will set the brand name on the leather at the top. Let's drop our PNG. Choose sticker and set the right position. Here you will see that surface mode causes the sticker to rotate as we move it. This happens because of the changing angle of the base surface. Let's adjust its size and counter the rotation with the common options in the Move tool. Outside surface mode. Let's of course make sure that it ends up centered. In this case we want a cylindrical projection with a proper radius to avoid distortion. If the sticker penetrates the model somewhere, you may need to change the depth attribute accordingly. Let's do some final real size adjustments. And accept and hide the gizmo. We will next change the sticker material to plastic and lower diffuse weight to make the white color be a bit less bright. We will also adjust the texture blur a little bit. We want the logo's relief to happen on top of the leather's bump. We can easily achieve this with the blend bump option in the sticker node. This is our example complete. We have just walked through all the relevant functionality of the stickers feature. As you can see, stickers in Maverick are extremely versatile yet quite straightforward to use. This is all for now. See you in the next video. Have fun rendering with Maverick.